Today we're changing all the lights out on our John Deere 8760 here. I got these LED lights from Tiger Lights, and I'm gonna show you how I change them out here. The original cord on these Tiger Lights is a little bit too long to fit inside this receptacle here, so I cut about 6 inches off this cord because it can't curl up enough to shove in there. And now I'm just gonna take the coating off the end more so I can put connectors on. And I've already taken out these two lights and stripped the wires back here. So we're going to get our shrink wrap connectors and put them on. I like to put the ones on the tractor first because then you can hang the light while you're putting the other one on. One on the positive, hot wire, make sure they're on tight. Good. And I always twist the wires before I connect them. And then crimp the other side here. Ground. And then it's all on there. Now we'll get a torch and shrink wrap the connector on. So we got our torch here. You can use a heat gun as well, but this is what I got today. And you just heat them just enough so they're watertight. And they'll shrink down. Careful not to light them on fire. That's it. Pocket, then the light, just push the wires, curl them up in there, and should be able to snap the bulb back in. Pretty easy. We just have 7 more to go. I already did the ones on the top of the cab, the most difficult ones. Been really hard to film, but we got all the rest changed, and that's it. Yeah, I just cut off the wires right at the connection here at the back of the light. I don't bother taking them apart because I'm gonna splice them anyway, connect them back together anyway. And I'll get all the rest done. It goes pretty fast, not that bad to do. For these John Deere for 8760. The light that I got was this Tiger Lights TL 3015. They're 4.4 inches wide and 1.8 inches deep. But they work good. I have always had good luck with Tiger lights. I got them on 3 other tractors, I think, and I've had good luck with them. Never had any burn out. So, and they're easy to install. So I'll show you how I shorten the wires here. May not need that. It's pretty simple, but I'll show you. So we open up the box. And this wire is very long, and it's too much to curl up in there, so I cut about 8 inches off. That's probably a little longer. Then take a knife. There's probably better ways to do this, but that's how I'm doing it. Just make sure you don't get into the wires when you do this. And then take my wire cutters just to grip it, and should be able to pull it off. And then I'll strip these wires back. That's a 14 gauge one. Oh no, it ain't. It's a 16 gauge wire. I'll put a little 16. There they're stripped. We're ready to go back together. We're ready to go together. These are flood and spotlight combination light. All of them that go on this tractor are. These ones, just cut off the old lights. These lights are fine, but they're not as good as LED lights. I just cut them off. And these Tiger lights are super bright. Alright, we got all 4 of the front headlights in, and let's go see if they work. Oh, they're bright. They all work. Easy peasy. Yeah, it took me about, I don't know, 20 minutes, half hour. So it's quite simple. If you know how to use a wire stripper, then it's really easy. But alright, thanks for watching. Please like some of our videos and subscribe. So thanks everybody. See ya.